sirens. Tornado sirens were just going off, and we have severe storm warnings in my county. The sky looks crazy, super dark over here, really bright over here. The clouds are moving really fast. Just continuous thunder, lightning. We're having a pretty crazy spring this year. The tornado sirens went off a second time. And this rain it went from nothing 1 second to this amount of rain. Like, legitimately, a second. I heard it all start hitting the ground at the same time. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's windy. Oh, it's windy and it's rainy. Alright then.